Okay, hello. Maybe good to have a little bit of background actually, maybe. So maybe I can go set some. I don't know. Is it like a random in my library? That might be fun. Oh wait, yeah. Anyway, how are you? You have a good walk with Andy. That was such a cute picture the other day. Um, songs. Oh yeah. Enable repeat. Disable repeat. Oh yeah, shuffle. Boom. we got a we got a big smorgasbord of.
Why did you wake me up today?
Oh wait, that's not me. I want my songs. Is that me? Oh, that is me. But I don't want that. Okay, that's a nice start. Yeah, I'm doing okay. Took a couple baths today. Lower this. There we go. It's a little kind of cheesy. Yeah. Did you have a nice dinner? Yeah, he did have a lot of energy. But I think that's what he is. Like I think he just. Yeah. Seems like he just needs that. Like he needs that day to run around. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, I'm just gonna be more diligent and. Yeah. See if it gets better slowly. Sorry, there's so many funny like songs that don't belong in this mix. So I just had another meat pie. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, snacking is good. I'm gonna fill a water thing actually. I don't know what this genre is. I think might be this might be polka. Yeah, I think it's polka. It sounds very polka-ish, sure. Yeah, you got some German roots, so I can understand it because you got some German in you. Yeah, this could be marching band too. Yeah, this is marching band. Oh yeah, instrumental with double bass march. That was the prompt. There's no double bass, but very triumphant. This is like like an army drill or like it's like army day. Here, go to your drill sergeant and enroll today. Yeah, enroll today. Fight for your country. Like these propaganda videos. Yeah, like World War II propaganda videos. Alright, well, this is nice. What happened? Peace? What? I don't know what, I don't know. Sorry. I don't know what you meant by that. But anyway, I can kind of get going. No, I didn't know what you mean by peace. Or no, or what did you mean by no? Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I guess World War II needed to happen. So in some ways. But yeah, peace over war. But peace through strength. So, oh yeah, so I have to set my thing here. So can I make this... This will be smaller. Wait, this... Wait, this... Yeah. Like that. And then browser... How come that is not visible? Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah. So I have to make that smaller. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. Boom. Yeah, there's always a delay. That's always kind of annoying part. Maybe you can like do it on Discord is another thought. That might be like maybe more live. Especially if I'm doing this, then I can just like share my screen. And boom. Oh yeah, my cam goes. I have to turn the Yeah, I'm in the corner. Is this a good spot? I can well, maybe I can just add my head. Should I lower the desktop audio? Like the music? I can lower it. Yeah, just like my head. I can be bigger. Oh yeah, I can just be like, yeah, like here, there. Boom. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, well, this is my new mic arm. Can you hear? Is the mic volume a lot better now? Like you can hear the just from the mic arm. Do you think it sounds a lot better? Yeah, because it's like right there in a good spot. Oh yeah, maybe, and then that. Oh yeah, my. Okay. So, what I was trying to. Oh, nice. Yeah, this was a good purchase. Except I just don't like the road, like too much of the promotion. Like I would like strip out these, like strip it out or like blacken out the letters here, so I'm not overly sponsoring. But yeah, you just say maybe I look more professional. Yeah, it's like, hey, I got billions of Bitcoin and billions of everything. Oh yeah, so I got the lowdown on that. Like, was talking about it with my brothers, and like what MicroStrategy is, what their problem is. Because it's normally they have like a very high dividend, it's like 10% dividend, and my brother said that they're trading below their NAV. Basically, it's like they're gonna have a hard time because they can't purchase more Bitcoin without going into more debt. Yeah, like it's kind of in the pickle, and so there might be a chance where they have to sell more Bitcoin. If Michael Saylor is gonna have to sell, it's not a good situation. But I don't know. So just be careful. Yeah, but maybe, I don't know. He seems. Well, Mark says that Mark calls him a con man, because Mark met him, because apparently Michael Saylor offered Mark a job in 1998, and I also used MicroStrategy's product because I was in analytics, and so MicroStrategy deals with like analytics software. But now none of their business is that software. Like 99% of their wealth is in Bitcoin. It's crazy. Yeah, no problem. I just don't want you to lose sleep at night. That's all. So, not worth it. Not worth losing sleep. What's this genre of music? This might be like classical, maybe. Very dreamy. Yeah, I don't know, Ponzi or like that. That's what my brothers were saying, like potentially CIA. Oh, this is Klezmer. Potentially CIA. Because what they said was that the offices is just like like very close to like a CIA headquarters. It's so funny to have this on top of Klezmer. It's good clarinet. Yeah, but I don't know. But whatever it is, like I'm hoping it can be a stable sell-off, because that's a weapon in itself, just for how much they let him corner the market like so much, I think, or just purchase so much, which I think the Bitcoin community obviously would liked, because he just drove up the price, because he was spending like millions a month bidding. I can't concentrate with this klezmer. You just played that. Is this on shuffle? Okay. So where I left, did I? Oh yeah, sorry. There's always a delay, so I kind of get confused. Let's make sure how this looks. Put this here. Like this, so. Okay, great. That's the advantage of having a nice wide monitor. So I can see. So where we left off, unless just any questions or anything you wanted to talk about, anything in the news. How's Carney doing? And hi Andy, by the way. Hopefully you're nearby. Here's the treat. Yeah, this is like, what is the genre? Yeah, this is like R&B, I guess. Instrumental with baritone sax for bass and lo-fi. It's not really lo-fi. I don't get the lo-fi vibes. Yeah. Woof. Actually, he doesn't really bark very much. He's not a big barker, which is nice. Only when they're strangers, I guess. So, does he actually recognize my voice when I'm streaming? This is elevator music, by the way. I like this. I'm gonna like this on my. Add to playlist. Intros. That's so cute. It's honestly super cute when I first walk into the subway and he sees me. It's like the cutest thing. Yeah, it's really good, Olivia. I like it. It's kind of like a tango. Oh yeah, I'm wearing that shirt, by the way. What do you think? Yeah, he does run to me. Yeah, it's so sweet. He's such a good dog. Alright, so I don't want to... Oh yeah, let me... I guess I got to make this... What's that? A little bit bigger. And then move this over a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I did shave. But yeah. Well, I guess next time I'll get a little bit of a stubble. Alright, I can go. So where we left off was. Oh, let me lower this volume. It's Sometimes it's hard to concentrate. Just more subtle. Okay. So where we left off, we grabbed from a record that was in our database. I was saying, oh, this customer, Salesforce is a customer. It went through like this flow and it grabbed their 10K filing, which is their annual database, their annual report, like their 10K annual report, and it stored them into a Pinecone database. And then I created an AI agent that would kind of extract the goals for that. And I wanted to have almost like a similar use case, but then I have like transcripts like that, like our in meetings, like if you're going to have a meeting with so basically all your meetings that you have with a customer, they have tools that can record transcripts for those from those calls. And there's a lot of things that happen in those calls, so you can extract, let's say, goals and problems or results. And I think I have, yeah, I think I have results. I'm hoping I can mine that data from all three. So what I have here is just an example of what that data would look like for those three meetings. I believe, yeah. So one more goal. Expand 2 more verticals by year end. Plan is piloting with your healthcare leads. So it's just like, you know, stuff that would happen in a meeting. I asked AI to just generate this data for me, but in a format that would be used by this company called Gong.io that does AI like transcript and calls and everything. And ironically, I worked for the product manager, the head of product management at Gong, and he's Israeli. Ilan Aloni. I liked him. But yeah. So I think it makes sense. Like there's other ways to get data, but this one makes the most sense for this use case with the vector database in mind, because it's like unstructured text. But I'm gonna have to find a way to like handle it all. But yeah, we'll deal with that maybe today. I'll see. So I have those three, and I need to map this into. So now that I have the data, I need to send this into that data store. So let's just move this into Pinecone. Pinecone vector store. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just make sure you can see it. No, you can't see that. Yeah. Or here. Yeah, that's more of the screen. Okay. Yeah, so now I went to add this and Pinecone. Vector store, and I want to add documents to vector store. Okay, and I have to remember I have my Pinecone account. Okay, insert document. So this was my annual report index. I think I need to create a new one for my transcripts. So pinecone. Login. Here we go. So I have to create an index. I'm gonna call this one Gong Transcripts. Oh, I can't have hyphens or underscores. Gong Transcripts. Create index. Oh wait, I need to delete that, I think. Indexes. Delete. Gong transcripts. Did you delete? Wait, I deleted you. Delete. Gong. Alright, deleted. So create you again. So this time I have to make sure I select in Pinecone text embedding 3 small. I don't know what that is, but apparently, you know, all these instructions that I looked at, they recommended this one. So I'm going to call this again Gong Transcripts. And my camera's in the way, I think. Gong Transcripts. Create index. Yeah, so now I have my index. So now when I go back here and I go to choose, I might have to like refresh this somehow. Okay, let me just go back and save this and come back. Open. Choose. And there we go. Here's my new what's called an index. What an index is, essentially in technology terms, it's a reflection of the database to make it return quicker. So it's like, oh, here's my database, and it might be like a big vomit of information. And an index might be like just a small bit of vomit. Like just take a slice of that vomit and make an index of it so that you can return it a lot quicker. But maybe not the best analogy, but that's what an index is. And so embedding batch size, I don't know what that means. Maybe let's ask Rock. Like what I should consider. Pinecone namespace. Oh yeah, and I'm going to get the name of the customer here, which in this case is going to be Salesforce, and I'm going to hard code it for now. Salesforce. And I'm just going to ask Grok. Oh yeah, I'm going to give the example of my content, which is oh yeah, I can just go here, JSON here. I can just copy this all here. I can just copy this, copy this all. Copy selection, copy item path. Does this paste everything? No. Sorry. Does it paste everything? Yeah. Okay. And I'll just say, okay, I'm gonna say to Grok. No problem. And if there's anything you want to talk about, I don't know. This can be like a chill stream. I'm gonna ask Grok, how would you best add transcripts to a vector database in terms of embedding or what's the word, splitting. Here is an example of the text of the data. Paste. Grok, go. This sounds very anime, this song. This doesn't sound like me. It sounds like an... Yeah, this isn't me. Okay, it got into very anime. Oh yeah, so now what did Grok say? Okay, Adam, your example is a data array, whatever times the text. I'll break it down for you step by step, including strategies, trade-offs, and code snippets in Python using the goal. Okay, splitting, chunking strategies. Okay. Treat each utterance as a split. This is atomic. Whatever. One. Okay. Yeah. Shock the pop, hail the blow. Yeah, there was a dancing. Yeah, that was. I guess people have their different music videos. Alright, tell me what to do. Okay. Okay, I didn't say I'm using N8N. Okay. By the way, I'm using N8N. Okay, so I got the data ready. Wait, zap the dog. I like that use of icons. Alright, just tell me what the... Okay, I might have to figure, how do I... So I go here, right? And I can go, no, or here. Embedding AI. That's small. Add batch size. Oh, I should say, what should my batch size be? What should my batch size be? Keratin Hero, shock the pup. I'll start with 50 to 100. Okay, so let's just go with 100. Or what? Let's go. Small transcripts, medium. Okay, let's go with let's go with 50, or let's go with 100. 100. Bat size 100. Okay. I don't think this is me either, is it? Yeah, like it keeps not going into my music.
Mission protocol loaded. All systems aligned.
Yeah, I guess so. Alright, I'm back. So I got my bat size there. How did I get the splitting there? How did I get the splitting here? Oh wait, the splitting here. Oh, yeah, so here the default data loader, JSON, load all input data, Golden Phoenix. Yeah, this is what started it all. Custom. Text splitter. Okay, I'm gonna ask Grok again. What about using the default data loader in N8N? They have a splitter. Can I use it there? Sorry. I want also identify the speakers with the data to know, whether the customer said it or not. Okay, I'm glad you're enjoying. I'm trying to figure it out what I'm trying to do. Golden Phoenix gonna win them all. The default loader text splitter. Okay, so in the splitter, ensure chunk stay per turn. Chunk size equals 400. Okay, and do this. So let me just paste this in. Token splitter? Oh, okay, a token. Chunk size 400. Again, I don't care about you. Sold out. This is Alright, I'm gonna be right back. Alright. So where was I? Oh yeah. Sold out. Where do I set that code though? Notes. Prefix text. Oh, okay. So I need to set. Oh, okay. Set. Or code. I think I need another code here. Alright, this doesn't do anything, so let me just try this. On fire. Let's try code. No. No, these are bad instructions, Grok. Can you give me better instructions to implement the storage of transcripts in N8N from Gong to a Pinecone data store? I would like each instance of the conversation to be one, one, what do you call it? One, one cell. Sorry, I guess this is a bad day for this song to come up. Sorry, not intentional. Set code, normalize and classify. Add code. Okay, so this is my code. Okay, so let's do that. Or is this the code that I added here? No. Okay, so I'm adding in here. Back. Another code.
but the game was rigged. Fixed at 35, the world got big. Another spoke from the shadows deep. Whispers of truth where the elites would meet. The dollar soared, but the vaults ran dry. Gold was bleeding under blood-red sky. From Gino was called to the Nixon fall. World kept spinning, but we lost it all. Oil and gold in a dirty dance. The system's a game, and we're taking a chance. Golden chains, they're breaking free. Dollars reign ain't what it seems. Auras black, but the price ain't right.
I lost it all.
In the dead of night. Golden chains, they're pulling tight. Central banks fight to keep the light. Burst through, it's a long, hard road. We're breaking the chains of the dollar's code.
What did I do?
London gold pool try to hold the line, but Vietnam's fire burned the dollar's shine. The Queen shut the gates, let the market freeze, while the Fed held on down on its knees. Nixon slammed the window, gold was done. Oil was the game and the dollar won. But another saw through the smoke and lies. The price of crude was the devil's disguise. From 7-3 war to Iran's dark roar, the gold oil ratio, it ain't no more. They pushed it high, let the dollar float, but the truth's in the fire and it's ready to choke. Golden chains, they're breaking free. Dollars reign ain't what it seems. Auras black, but the price ain't right. Singing rebellion in the dead of night. Golden chains, they're pulling tight. Central banks fight to keep the light. The truth burns through, it's a long, hard road. We're breaking the chains of the dollar's code. Focus rates, they spike to the sky. Classes deal, let the dollar die. Black Monday crash.
Execute again.
Held its breath, speculations of
Okay, so that's there. And then go back to my chat history.
breakout, but the bubble grows. It's a house of cards. We're rocking the system, we're breaking the shard.
And then
Golden chains, they're breaking free. Dollars reign ain't what it seems.
normalize this simple code. Boom.
Rebellion in the dead of night. Golden chains, they're pulling tight. Central
Okay, and then I can go here, go here, and this should work.
another's voice echoes through the years. Foretold the fall through the blood and tears.
You on your computer?
In a game of trust, the dollar's empire will
Is it everything okay?
fist. Let the anthem scream. We're chasing truth in a rebel's dream.
Oh, okay.
Golden chains, we're breaking free. Born in the ashes of a war-torn land. Bread and woods built the dollar stand. Gold was king, but the game was rigged. Fixed at 35, the world got big. Another spoke from the shadows deep. Whispers of truth where the elites would meet. The dollar soared, but the vaults ran dry. Gold was bleeding under blood-red sky. From Geno's call to the Nixon fall. The world kept spinning, but we lost it all. Oil and gold in a dirty dance. The system's a game, and we're taking a chance. Golden chains, they're breaking free. Dollars reign ain't what it seems. Oil runs black, but the price ain't right. Singing rebellion in the dead of night. Golden chains, they're pulling tight. Central banks fight to keep the light, but the truth burns through. It's a long, hard road. We're breaking the chains of the dollar's code. London gold pool tried to hold the line, but Vietnam's fire burned the dollar's shine. The Queen shut shut the gates, let the market freeze while the Fed held on, down on its knees. Nixon slammed the window, gold was done. Oil was the game and the dollar won. But another soared through the smoke and lies. The price of crude was the devil's disguise. From 73 war to Iran's dark roll, the gold oil ratio, it ain't no more. They pushed it high, let the dollar flow, but the truth's in the fire and it's ready to choke. Golden chains are breaking free. Dollars rain ain't what it seems. All runs black, but the price ain't right. Singing rebellion in the dead of night. Golden chains, they're pulling tight. Central banks fight to keep the light, but the truth burns through. It's a long, hard road. We're breaking the chains of the dollar's code. Walkers race, they spike to the sky. Plazas deal, let the dollar die. Black Monday crashed, the world held its breath. Speculations of peace, flirting with death. Euro rose from the ashes of doubt. A new world order trying to break out. But the bubble grows, it's a house of cards. We're rocking the system, we're breaking the shards. Golden chains, they're breaking free. Dollars rain ain't what it seems. Oil runs black, but the price ain't right. Singing rebellion in the dead of night. Golden chains, they're pulling tight. Central banks fight to keep the light, but the truth burns through. It's a long, hard road. We're breaking the chains of the dollar's code. Another's voice echoes through the years, foretold the fall through the blood and tears. Gold and oil in a game of trust. The
Welcome back. Gold, gold, heavy and bold. Welcome back. End of the year internet will come back, but maybe I'll take a look at it if it's something, I don't know, something I can help with. So what I did was I tried to see if I could organize the data better. So here it has like for each kind of sentence, it basically has like who the speaker was, what the text was, and the timestamp. But I think it should have more than that because I think my output here has the role as well. Oh no, it does have that. Okay, yeah. It has it up here. But does this have all the conversations? Total pages 3? I guess so. Wait, let me just scroll here. Oh no. Sold out! Sold out! Are you back again? Yay! Okay. Okay. Hopefully, I don't know, something going on with your internet. But maybe I can take a look at it next time. But okay. Okay, sorry. I'm glad you're back. I think. Is that recent? Yeah, you are back. Nice. Okay, so I tried to organize so like each now. Oh, it does what? But why do I have less data? QBR call. Timestamp total pages 3. But like but it's the same thing. I don't know why this is any better. Yeah, maybe. Just has like some interference. Okay. I was saying, did that code do anything? Like, okay, that code produced an output, but it almost seems the same as the source. Did anything change? Here is the output. In Carol. I don't have to worry about any royalty music with my AI. It's great. Hey, it gave me new code? What changed? Okay, final robust version. It better be robust. Robust version. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, no output. You fucking bitch. Always do this to me. I'm gonna call it as a... Well, that wasn't robust at all because it returned no output at all. So now I reverted to the way it was before. The bulletproof script before it was robust. Now it's bulletproof. No output. It's just my data. This data looks different because here I have I have multiple transcripts, and here there's only one. Maybe I should do something different. Merges data of multiple streams. That's it. I'll call it out again. Again, here is the output of my API. Anything I need to do to add anything I need to do before I add it to the vector database. Yes, your API output looks solid. It's paginated array of utterances with the expected structure. This is perfect for okay, but don't upsert raw with dilute or whatever. And add 2 or 3 nodes between your API and Pinecone. Merge pages code format. Okay. So merge all pages, handle all paginations. Why you did whatever. Okay. Config. Is this a code? Oh, okay, it's JavaScript. Okay. So it's asked me to do this. Let's try this out now. Bulletproof. Better be fucking bulletproof. Okay, well, that worked. Why is there no call ID? Because you spelled it call ID wrong, you goddamn piece of shit AI. ID, is that right? Call. This is what we call in the software camel case, where the first letter is always small case, and it has no spaces in it, and then the next word would have a capital, and every word after it would be capitalized. So now when I execute, all 3 should show up. Nope. Oh yeah, call ID. Is that it? That's all the instances of call ID? Yeah, so now I have page 1, gone call. Wait, is that right? They all have the same ID? No, that's not right. Because they should have gone call 2, gone call 3. Because gone call... Yeah, this is gone call 2. Page. Um... Maybe I don't need to do it on the page here. Okay, well, let's just follow through here. Then loop. I don't know if this will do anything. Then loop over inside loop. Oh, okay. I'm not doing that. I'll just say so for this example, assume this is all the data I have to ingest. What do I need to do again before I send the data to the vector DB? Since there's all the data you have, treat it as a full transcript, no pagination merge needed. The goal is to transform raw utterances into searchable chunks, whatever. Okay, script. Paste directly. Okay. Format chunks, transform to raw to structured. So let's see what this looks like now. Open. Didn't work.
Bitcoin's a flicker, just a digital hell. Who's this Satoshi with his shadowy tail? Sitting on billions, 100 bill hoard. Never sold a coin, man, what's he waiting for? Gold's got the glory, it's the king of the trade. While crypto's a gamble, just to promise their fame. Gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the market's brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold, my rock sets my soul on fire. Gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the market's brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold, my rock sets my soul on fire. Sailors going all in like the Hump Brothers tried. Stacking up bits, but he's in for a slide. Hearts chase silver, thought they'd own the sky. But the market crashed hard, left them high and dry. Sailor's next man with his Bitcoin bet. Rug pulls coming, he ain't seen it yet. Kids in the basement playing games, stopping kicks. Betting mom's cash, but they're losing real quick.
I don't know.
Gold, solid and true. Outshines the scales that the markets brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold's my rock, sets my soul on fire. Gold, solid and true. Outshines the scales.
Okay, well maybe I can just like add these to the database. But I don't know. This is not working at all.
Satoshi's a phantom holding billions in bits. Sits on his stash, never cashes one bit. What's he planning? Is he real or a fake? 100 million coins, but he won't take a stake. Sailors like the hunks, chasing dreams that'll bust. While GameStop kids turn their hopes into dust. Gold's my anchor, is the wealth I can hold. Bitcoin's a mirage, just a story that
This.
gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the markets brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold's my rock, sets my soul on fire. Gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the markets.
Sorry if this is boring. But I don't know why it's not recognizing. I don't know. It's. But this is what it is. It's like a lot of like researching and using AI. Well, if I was better, then I can not use AI as much. Hey, let's see if this works this time. Yeah, no output. You tell. Yep, finally gave me an output.
Bitcoin's a flicker, just a digital veil. Who's this Satoshi with his shadowy tail? Sitting on billions, 100 bill hoard. Never sold a coin, man, what's he waiting for? Gold's got the glory, it's the king of the trade. While crypto's a gamble, just a promise that fades. Gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the markets brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold's my rock, sets my soul on fire.
Okay, based on your percent of This is gonna be work. Okay, here. But there's only. It didn't. Yeah, no problem. Okay, yeah. So I'm just gonna ask better instructions. So I would like to flatten or flatten this array, and then 8n. Here is the code. I would like what would I like? I would like each object to have the call ID, speaker, text, time. Start time. I add item lists after Split out items. Split out. Okay. Split out. Drag fields from the left or type their names. I want this one. You just map some data. Okay, good. I want that. And I want this one. Title. Start time. Oh, okay. I want the name here. Name. Role. And I want the text. Is this gonna work? Include no other fields. Execute. Okay, but you only got 2. Morning team. Why you only got 2? Maybe if I say all other fields, it will go. Boom. Oh, because it's only mapped. I want this to be dynamic. Instead of 0, I want it to be star. I'll just say, can you just give me the expression? Can you just give me the expression in the split out step in and 8 and
Grip my gold, got that shine in my hand. Pull from the earth, it's the wealth of the land. Bitcoin's a flicker, just a digital veil. Who's this Satoshi with a shadowy tail? Sitting on millions, 100 bill hold. Never sold a coin, man, what's he waiting for? Who's got the glory, is the king of the trade. While crypto's a gamble, just a promise that fades. Gold, gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the markets brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold's my rock, sets my soul on fire. Sets my soul on fire. Sailors going all in like the Hunt brothers tried. Stacking up bits, but he's in for a slide. Hunts chase silver, thought they'd own the sky, but the SEK changed the rules, left them high and dry. Sailor's next man with his Bitcoin bet. Rug bull's coming, he ain't seen it yet. Kids in the basement playing GameStop for kicks, betting mom's cash, but they're losing real quick. Gold, gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the markets brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold's my rock, sets my soul on fire. Sets my soul on fire. Satoshi's a fan of holding billions in bits. Sits on his stash, never cashes one bit. What's he planning? Is he real or a fake? 100 million coins, but he won't take a stake. Sailors like the Hunts, chasing dreams that will bust, while GameStop kids turn their hopes into dust. Gold's my anchor, it's the wealth I can hold. Bitcoin's a mirage, just a story that's told. Gold, gold, solid and true. Outshines the scams that the markets brew. Bitcoin's a ghost, just a trick in the wire. Gold's my rock, sets my soul on fire. Sets my soul on fire. So crank up the amps, let the truth scream loud. Gold's my anthem, I'm a gold bug proud. Satoshi's hiding, sailors doomed like the Hunts. GameStop kids crashing their basement stunts. Gold's got my back, it's the real deal for me. A hard rockin' truth for eternity.
okay, I think this is what I want, maybe. The way that this looks now, I get for each thing, I get the call, the start time, where it's from, and then I have the thing. Like, hey everyone, how you doing? Totally. And I have all these pages of data. I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Are you getting sleepy? Silver, but they own the sky with the change the rules, but the change had oh my. Oh, good, solid and true. Yeah, sorry if this was boring, but I should have figured out a little bit more. But I think I got to the point where this is maybe the format. I might have to research this again. Yeah, I'm gonna spend more time tonight just to solidify this a little bit better. But at least it's at least a chance for me to learn something. Yeah, I guess it's more exciting than, I don't know, Canadian politics. Less depressing. Less depressing than other news today. Yeah. Yeah, same. Yeah. So yeah, I can let you go to sleep. Yeah, this is the song I shared on. It's a perfect Goldbug song. Oh yeah, what's it? I can show off my awesome screen. Whoever this third watcher can see my new my new screen. Okay. Yeah, I'll let you go to sleep. And then I'll figure out more of this, what I'm trying to do. But at least, so what I did is I kind of had a data from the chat transcripts. I want to organize it in a way that would allow me to enter it into this database that will serve as a long-term memory for an AI agent. And these are kind of like unstructured information, so these are essentially like chat transcripts. So I think I have it to a decent point where it's just like, okay, give me the, like for each one, it's the call it, but it, yeah, okay, yeah. So it just have, for each call, I would have that information. Okay, yeah, I'll see. I'll have to play around. But anyway, I'm glad you had fun. Yeah, I'll have to see. Yeah, if you're interested about tomorrow. I wasn't sure if I have family stuff. I don't think I do because my brother's party is going to be a week, and so I don't. It doesn't sound like it would be tomorrow, but I'll just make sure. And yeah, we'll stay in touch. Hopefully Bitcoin will have a rebound. Yeah, I could work harder, but yeah, that's why this is a good kick in the pants. So yeah, well, you know, hope you have a great night. Thanks for hanging out. Take it easy. Bye, sweet dreams.